I told y'all this is a 4-pack, 3 of them right there, and then the other one is right here. So let's go ahead and unbox this really fast. Y'all, I've been grinding. I've been recording so much lately. I'm gonna put this sticker on the back of my charger because I got a SCAR one on there, so I'm gonna put a DS18 as well. But yeah, this is the 6.5 DS18 Pro, and this is the speaker. But this is what we're gonna be rocking out with. It's definitely a tighter fit, a better fit, and the bigger speakers. So I'm kind of glad y'all talked me out of it, of the 5.25s, and told me to get these 6.5s.
Bingo! I got action.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now I want to go ahead and give a shout out to my boy Chevy Addict and to a bunch of y'all, you know what I'm saying. I wish I would have wrote down all y'all names that told me to go ahead and upgrade them door speakers for my Cutlass. But yeah, my boy Chevy Addict, he sent me the link to actually get these speakers, and they was on eBay, and you know what I'm saying, these are brand new speakers, never been used, and it was a 4-pack. So the 4-pack was the exact same price as my SCARs that I bought, like $20 more, you feel me, $15 more, somewhere around there. But yeah, about $20 because I had to pay for tax and shipping. But yeah, y'all told me these DS18s are better than them SCARs. Y'all know I don't know too much about speakers and stuff. All I know is I like SCARs, so I was gonna go with SCAR. But I'm not gonna put these on the door panels until I go ahead and order them speaker covers. DS18, their actual site, they sell some speaker covers. I'm gonna go ahead and order them. I haven't ordered them yet because, you feel me, I've been focused on doing a whole bunch of other stuff. And yeah, I told myself I was gonna wait to order them. It ain't like I'm putting these in the car right now anyway, so I'm not in a rush to get them. But yeah, I went ahead and got these. We're gonna do a quick unboxing really fast. Hold on, I'm trying to sit y'all up where y'all won't fall. All right, sit y'all right there. So a quick unboxing. Pull one of these speakers out. So like I told y'all, this is a 4-pack, 3 of them right there, and then the other one is right here. So let's go ahead and unbox this really fast. Y'all, I've been grinding. I've been recording so much lately. I'm gonna put this sticker on the back of my charger because I got a SCAR one on there, so I'm gonna put a DS18 as well. But yeah, this is the 6.5 DS18 Pro, and this is the speaker. And it's all it come with. Like I said, don't come with no speaker cover. But y'all told me these really hit, you feel me? I don't know too much about DS18s. I know a lot of people be using them in like competition, with music competition and stuff, you know? So I know these are really good speakers and they're really loud, and this is most people go-tos. I'll put that back in there in a second. But yeah, like I said, I got 4 of them. So my Cutlass now has brand new DS18 door speakers to go onto the car. The only thing I gotta do now is put them on there. So we're gonna test fit them in this video, you know what I'm saying, and see how they gonna look on the door panels. And like I said, I like them SCARs, but y'all know, if y'all watched my last video, I'm putting the SCARs in here. Well, 2 of them at least. The other 2 I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. I've already paid for them, so I need to use them. So I put 2 of them in my rear deck. If y'all didn't check that video out, go check that video out. It's a pretty good video. I liked it, you know what I'm saying. But like I said, we went ahead, bought these DS18s. Y'all convinced me to, so I went ahead and got them, you know. So yeah, the Cutlass gonna be thumping. I don't care about it being too loud. I didn't want it too loud. But the only reason why I got them door panels was because they were cheaper to get them door panels than to get some original ones. You know what I'm saying? Original ones was $250. Them was $80 for both of them. You know what I'm saying? $250 a piece compared to $80 for the pair. So it was a no-brainer, and I thought it would look better with some door speakers. And now we got some DS18s, like I said, brand new, never used, and we will be putting them in the Cutlass once we put the door panels on. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I've had these speakers for a while now. About time y'all getting this video, it's probably a month, 2 months later, you know what I'm saying? I've been grinding so much, I've been recording so much, so yeah, I'm just so ahead. So like I said, let's get out the car, put these speakers in the door panels, or 2 of them at least. I'm not gonna pull all 4 of them out of the box, ain't no need. So yeah, we're gonna pull 2 of them out, and we're gonna rock out like that. So I'll catch y'all once I get out of the car and to the back with the door panels. All right, so y'all know we had already got these cars, and like I said, now that y'all done convinced me to get these for these door panels, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these. So for now, they just gonna sit in the box Chevy trunk until I figure out what I'm gonna do with them. But these are the DS18s. Show y'all the box just in case if y'all want to get them yourself. This is the box, DS18 Pro, 8 ohms, 6.5. Yeah, this the specs and everything. And hold on. Bless me, thank y'all. So like I said, I got them off eBay, and yeah, I don't know if they still in stock, if they got more in stock or what, but goodness, allergy season, y'all. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and test fit them inside the door panel. So the first thing I got to do is get this door panel out of the box. Like I said, I'm just getting one out and pull both of them out because I don't feel like getting all of them speakers out of the box and having to put all back in. Sit that there, and then yeah, so it's a perfect fit as y'all see, but I still want to have them covers on so it'd be somewhat protected and it look a little better, you know what I'm saying? It's something y'all couldn't even see, but like this. So like I said, it looked really plain, so I'd rather have the cover on top. So I'm gonna wait to put them in, and yeah, it's definitely a better fit. It's more tight, more secure. Hold on. So yeah, it's definitely a better fit. Like I said, it's more tight, and yeah, I want to have the cover on there to give it some type of styling, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't just all plain. So let me get one more out. Alright, come over here, do another quick unboxing. And all of these come with stickers, but I'm not putting all these stickers on my charger. I'm gonna put just one. Alright, set that like that. Plastic out. Set that in there. Back in there. And another thing I'm gonna have to do is figure out if I'm gonna have to cut the metal of the actual door on the Cutlass for these speakers to fit. You know what I'm saying? Because I honestly don't know. But yeah, this is how they gonna look. DS18s in the door panel. This is the back, and like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna have to cut the metal frame on the door or not. That's something I'm gonna let me know. It's probably gonna be a while before I put this on, but today I'm gonna try and cut out the holes for the lock and the mirror, because this is driver door. So I'm gonna try and cut them out today. That way this will already be done and ready to go. And the only thing I gotta do is spray it. I was gonna spray it today, but I'm probably wait during a couple more days to do it, because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do it today. But y'all let me know what y'all think. This is the door panel, and like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna have to cut the metal framing on the door for the DS18s to fit, but I definitely want to take me another quick picture real quick. Alright, got it. Yeah, so like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. I mean, I like them. They look pretty plain, you feel me? They look like house speakers, really. Like I said, this is my first time ever having some DS18s, and yeah, they just look like some plain old house speakers. You know, the big standalone speakers that you be having in your house. That's what these look like, you know. But like I said, I'm definitely gonna get them covers, and we're gonna have the covers on these to give it some type of styling, like I said, so it don't just look so plain on here. We'll have them covers on, and then this piece that go here, I'm gonna most likely leave it black instead of painting it blue, so it'll be like a black stripe going into the black speakers with the black covers on them. So yeah, and the covers, they're not just some mesh covers, they kind of look like a set of wheels, you know. They got lines going to the middle, and like I said, it ain't just mesh, it ain't even no mesh on it, it's just lines going to it. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting that soon. But like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the DS18s on here. I like them. Like I said, they look like some house speakers. But this is what we're gonna be rocking out with. It's definitely a tighter fit, a better fit, and they're bigger speakers. So I'm kind of glad y'all talked me out of it, of the 5.25s, and told me to get these 6.5s. Cause on the site on Amazon, when they were selling these, the speaker size that they recommended was 5.25, so that's why I had got them instead of getting some 6.5 speakers. But if I would have got some 6.5s, they still would have been Scar. You feel me? I wasn't thinking about DS18s because I'm so more familiar with Scar. I've heard of DS18s, and like I said, I know that most people use them in competitions and stuff, but I had just went ahead and got some Scars instead, you know. But like I said, I want y'all opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And y'all know we got all four. 1, 2, 4. So all four of them. Yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty good, especially once I get that cover on it, and once the door panels are painted. It's gonna probably take me a while to sand it down because of the speaker grooves. I gotta make sure I get every spot, like right here as well. Yeah, it's probably gonna take me a little minute. I'm gonna paint here, but I'm not gonna paint the piece that actually go on here, which is somewhere in that box. But yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the DS18s. All right, there you go. I mean, I like them. I ain't never heard none in person, so it's gonna be my first time actually hearing some in person. Let me get this thing off the car. The speaker back off the car. But like I was saying, it's gonna be my first time ever hearing something in person. I ain't never heard no DS18s in person, so yeah, it's gonna be a new experience for me. Something new, something different. But yeah, man, I'm excited to get these in here, this painted, this on the car, you know, with my armrest. Y'all know we already painted it. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm excited, ready to get it going, get everything going, get everything done. So like I said, y'all let me know y'all opinions in the comments. I'm gonna put everything back up, and yeah, that's really it for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to show y'all this, show y'all that I did get them. Hold on one second. Alright, yeah, like I said, I wanted to show y'all this, that they did come in. And like I said, I done had them for probably about 2 weeks now, a week and a half, 2 weeks. And I just haven't really had time to record because I've been so busy doing other stuff, like stuff with this car. Y'all see my window still taped. I still got to finish that. So I've been real busy, you know. But I had finally got a chance to record, so that's what I went ahead and did, recorded it for y'all, showed y'all that I got them. And I'm excited for them to go on the door panels. I'm kind of, like I said, I'm kind of glad that y'all talked me out of the 5.25s going in here. They were a little smaller, and these DS18s, the 6.5s, they fit in there perfectly. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm excited to see how it's gonna be in the car and with the door panels painted. So yeah, let me put everything up, put them Scars back up, and I will catch y'all for the outro. All right, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I know y'all like the speakers because y'all the one who told me to get them, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I actually do. I hope y'all like the speakers, and like I said, I can't wait to actually hear them. I've never heard some DS18s in person. I've heard them on videos and stuff, like on TikTok and stuff, when people, like I said, go to competitions and they have DS18s. I know they're pretty loud, but like I said, I've never heard none actually in person, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I told you, I want to do this Cutlass right. I want to make sure everything is done correctly on this car, you know what I'm saying? Everything looks good as well, you know? And like I said, I appreciate y'all for letting me know to get these DS18s, that these were probably the best to go with, you know what I'm saying? Now, they weren't too expensive. Like, usually DS18s, like the subwoofers, they're pretty high. I be seeing people selling them on Facebook Marketplace like $115 for $1,000. That one speaker, you know what I'm saying? $115 for $1,000, you know what I'm saying? So I know these speakers aren't cheap, but I was pretty glad that, like I said, my boy Chevy Addict, he sent me a link to actually get these. And Yeah, all 4 of them. It was a 4-pack, and it was for, after tax and shipping, like $115, which is really good in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? For them scars, I paid $48 a piece. 40, 40, 80 plus 10 more is 90. $95. $95. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 80, $96. So yeah, $96 compared to $115, and y'all said the DS18s are better. So like I said, I appreciate y'all for letting me know. We got them now for the Cutlass, and y'all know I got the Cutlass right now, but it's not welded or anything, so I'm not putting these speakers in that car and then sending it off to a shop, you know what I'm saying, and some come up missing, then you feel me, it's usually not the shop's fault. That's what they say, it's not their fault. So I'm not even putting them door panels in the car right now, you know. I'ma keep them door panels with me, and now that I got the stock door panels out, I can go ahead and cut out the part for the locks on both doors, and then the window part on the driver door, you know, so I can cut them out while I got them here. That's one reason why I wanted to go and get the car, and so I can get some stuff off and get some stuff out that I needed, you know, and I can start working on some stuff while the car is gone. But the car is with me right now. Like I said, I'm not putting this stuff in the car and then sending it off to the shop again to get fabricated. So I'm gonna keep this stuff out. I'm not gonna hook none of this stuff up, put none of this in, but I am gonna go ahead and cut them door panels out. So y'all stay tuned for that video. I don't know what else really. Yeah, but like I said, I appreciate y'all for letting me know about this, about these DS18 6.5s. We got them. Like I said, I've had them for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I just haven't recorded them till now. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video though, and I hope y'all like the speakers, and I appreciate y'all for recommending it to me. If y'all got any suggestions when I be dropping videos and stuff, all y'all gotta do is hit me on Instagram. I try to reply back as fast as possible, but yeah, sometimes I don't be on my phone or have my phone with me, so I will usually reply though, you feel me? If it ain't nothing too crazy, I'll reply, you know what I'm saying? And y'all know, like, same thing with the comment section. I try to reply to every comment. The ones that's not super respectful or nice, you know what I'm saying, I usually don't say nothing back. But all y'all to be respectful and all that, you know what I'm saying, I try to be as respectful back to y'all, and I appreciate y'all. That's why I always say thank you or appreciate you, you know what I'm saying, or appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, I really thank y'all for sending or telling me about the DS18s, and shout out to Chevy Addict for sending me the link to these speakers, you know what I'm saying, to get these and order them. And the day he sent them to me, I ordered them literally that next morning. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for letting me know, and I appreciate y'all for being here with me. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for being here on this journey with me of me growing my channel to as big as I can, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.